talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on options, come to this list here. So then you click here on push to talk buttons here. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on Vox button here, just click on it, come to this list, come here to keep Vox enabled when screen is locked, click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean here keep Vox enabled when screen is locked, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.